Second round rematch from last year, Pacers versus Knicks. Obviously a new look Knicks. Should be a pretty solid game. Pacers barely skipped the W last game versus the Pistons. Celtics absolutely smoked the Knicks. So yeah, let's see. This should be a good matchup. Siakam, you know, he unstoppable. Okay. Knicks did not look good in that first game, bro. I look at the squad, it's good, but I don't know the way Mikal Bridges. I mean, he's shooting the ball right now. I don't know his releases. Throw me off, bro. I just don't like Josh Hart starting. I mean, it is good for the defensive purposes, I guess. But not for the offensive. Cat. You can't even like. Can you run an offensive cat, bro? Like, Bridges, come on, Bridges. There you go. There you go, Bridges. That's all you gotta do. Look at that weird ass try you with man. Brunson. Okay. Is Brunson gonna maintain his elbow play, or is he gonna fall off a little? What do y'all think? Maverin's back, so that's someone that the Pacers didn't even have last year. Was Maverick during their whole run, so now they get him back. Brunson. Okay. Sniper.
Take the corner three, instead drives, passes inside the Towns, who nearly turns it over, gets it back inside, and the hammer. Working out there with some key reserves from the Pacers. They had the top scoring bench in the end of the season. They rotated Mathurin.
Oh, come here, Brunson. Okay, good move. He's a problem. I ain't gonna lie, he's a problem, okay. Bridges, Bader, Bader.
Down the jumpers. Knicks by one.
And an OB. Okay.
This is Jarris Walker. Shovels it
McConnell.
And that patented floater is good. Pacers with a 15-0 advantage.
You know they hate McConnell. You know they hate McConnell, okay? Bridges. Bader.
Baseline J, tough shot, won't go. Josh Hart back out on the floor with the rebound. Downhill. Nobody stopped him.
Okay.
They outscored the Pistons bench 46-24 on Wednesday. 18-0 here on the Knicks. Here's McBride.
Good, man.
So good. Jackson making the catch. Through a double, finds Walker outside.
Damn. Damn. Hey, some good ass on me, man.
Here's Payne. Can't hit the
Champagne really trying to get up shots, bro. Obi. Obi. Toppin.
Here's Payne.
Payne.
Turns the corner. The lay-in drops.
But the Knicks bench obviously is a question mark. Dante DiVincenzo no longer here. He has proven himself.
And an Obi.
Baseline drive, gets out of trouble, gets it back. ISO with Nesmith. Like this matchup. Pull up. Got it. 8 points for Jalen Brunson. Halliburton, pocket.
Yeah, bro, the Knicks need to bench these bad, especially the way Phipps plays his players, bro. Like.
Now on Miles Turner. Brunson gives it up. Josh Hart for three.
Josh Hart somehow making a three.
More confident three-point shooter, and then absolutely battles Pascal Siakam.
Beautiful in and out dribble.
Brunson with the lay.
Brunson with the highlight. Siakam the rebound.
Talking.
You gotta find a way to get Tyrese Halliburton going. Siakam.
Oh shit. Hey, Siakam.
Battle back in and Anunoby.
See you, big dog.
Turner. Now it's Brunson inside. Hart.
Hart for Josh.
Fadeaway drops.
Turner.
Halliburton still scoreless in this one. Stripped by Payne. And the hand to Anunoby. Stand clear of the closing doors.
Melo in the building.
Brunson.
Nice.
Found themselves in a deficit to close this first half.
Sheesh, Knicks putting on a performance, cat. Okay.
A season to go. And
Damn.
out of there. Miles Turner.
Got it back. back though.
Franchise leader in career blocks with the highlight there.
How's Harry barely getting back in the picture now, bro? Get the fuck back.
Can't hit and Nimhard the board.
Damn, bro. 20-point game Pacers. Come on. I gotta turn this off or some shit. There's Nimhard. Expect him to have a solid season.
And Nimhard throws it
Right,
right
wanna
to
say that?
Caught in the air and
OG. Honestly, bro, just save OG for the playoffs, though. Like,
and Towns with his 8th rebound.
if y'all have him, then y'all can win. If y'all don't have him, it's clip.
Bridges, the fadeaway. Seasons with at least 47 wins for the first time in 25 years. Off the turnover, Nimhard quickly ahead to Neesmith.
Bro, 5 times 12. But the starters have all the points, bro. 5 times 12 is 60, and it said 12 plus, so. I don't think a bench player has scored for the Knicks. Campaign had the 1 bucket. Sheesh. If it stays up like this, we're getting out here early, for sure. Turner.
The lay-in off the feed from Siakam. 72-55. Still a lot of time left in this one. Brunson, the floater is pure.
Right.
Finals last season with Minnesota. Change of scenery, but there's familiarity. This isn't far from home. Carl Anthony Towns, who grew up a Knicks fan. That's McConnell. To finish inside.
It's not going to be required from him, but you can post him. You can run your offense through him at times if need be.
Ben Shepherd off the bench and on the scoreboard.
Which Steph then laughed about it and thought it was funny. He said he'll be watching tonight, and he's going to be holding Tyrese to it if the nap doesn't seem to work. And so far,
one of the highest scoring offenses in NBA history. This is McBride over in the corner for Bridges, rattling in the tray.
Damn, 20. Yeah, I'm gone. I'm gone. No, I'm gone. Yeah, damn, Pacers. Embarrassing. I ain't gonna lie. Very, very embarrassing.
And our final
Sheesh.
score here at